Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. This is probably my last video for the year, maybe. Got the Bronco done, which I'm going to show in a second. Got a few shout outs, and I bought a small, large scale collection a couple days ago or whatever, but some of them are started, and there might be one or two complete ones. But mostly I'm probably going to parts them all out, so they're probably going to be auctions on my Facebook page. And so if you're looking for large scale stuff, I'm going to have, engine stuff, tires, wheels, windows, all that kind of stuff for certain models that are certain ones that I got. So, then we're going to look at this other kit that I bought with it. And I looked inside, and it kind of what's in the box, but different. But anyway, here's the Bronco. This is the one that wife wanted me to build so we can have it out in the living room, which is unbelievable. But it came out pretty good. Of course, I like the color. Awesome kit though. This one, I was actually surprised when I opened it up and saw how much detail was in the kit. It was pretty cool. It's all box stock. I didn't add nothing to it except for the license plate. That's about it. And this thing opens. Oops. Or this will open up here. Decal there. And the hood, or the back here, kind of warped a little bit. I tried to get it back in its place, but it's warped. I got the interior. If I can get a better shot of that. It was a nice kit though. I'm gonna build the other one, but it's gonna be, rusted out and everything because I took the hood out of it for this one. So, yeah, it's a awesome kit. Definitely worth buying to build, that's for sure. Engine's all box stock. Did a little painting, but nothing really major, just to get it together, I guess. But it came out pretty good. So this one will go in a case and on the shelf out in the living room, which will be cool. So that was the Bronco, and we'll take a quick break here, and I'm gonna either do the shop card shout outs or we'll take a look at that kit, but be right back. Okay guys, we're back. I just wanted to, this is the kit that I just built. Awesome kit. And I know they had a Baja one too. I'm gonna have to get that one too and check that one out. But this one is an awesome kit. Love that kit. Probably end up gonna buy another one anyway, just to do a full detail one. Different color of course, but full detail one. I got some files for 3D printed parts I'm going to print out, and you can put a lift kit in it and all that kind of stuff, different tires, wheels, whatever. Yeah, let's do a shop card shout out here. First one is for Dave at Woody Scale Model Garage. Awesome builds on there. Awesome guy. Love his channel too. I watch that too. Got a couple decals and his business card, and I'll have his link below. And thanks Dave, appreciate it. And next one is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Awesome channel, awesome guy. He's got some really cool stuff going on. He's got a diorama he's building think it's the Texaco gas station diorama kit. Awesome. Gotta go check that out. Does reviews and stuff, and very cool. I've been watching Mark for a long time, so thanks, Mark. Thanks for the kind words on the back, and I will get my shop card out to you this coming week for sure. And I got a card from William at Ruckus Rods and Custom. Thanks, William. Appreciate it. That's awesome. I'm going to get that hung up. Thanks for the kind words on the inside. And I think it's a sticker. Yeah, I think it is a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker, I think. So that's cool. So thanks, guys. And well, we'll take a quick break here. But before we go, don't forget, Gaahleri has their New Year's sale going on till January 4th. So you can get all the airbrushes, compressor, all that discounted. And click the link below, and it'll take you right to the website, and can get your GHAD 68 pistol grip, the GHAD 39, the Mobius .2, the Mobius .3, the GHAC 98D, and bunch of parts. If you needed, needles or whatever, they've got it. So go check that out. Gonna adjust the camera a little bit here. Be right back. Okay, guys, so this 1/25th scale Ford GT by Aurora. This was a 1965 kit, and when I bought all the models, I was looking at this, and I'm like, oh man, that's awesome. I hope it's not built. Well, it is built, but there was other stuff in the box too, so it's kind of cool. So this is the Ford GT. Right here. This is definitely going to be a restore. Definitely going to restore this one. For sure. This, I'm not sure what this is. I'm pretty sure it's 1/32nd scale though, I think. Doesn't say anything on it. I'm not sure what this is, what car this is at all. Got a Cobra, and I think the parts are in there. I'm not sure. Looks like I think that's probably like a 289 or something, I would think. Definitely parts, maybe a restore. I don't know. I got a lot of Cobras. I love the Cobras. Then there was this T-bucket, which is pretty cool. Definitely an old build, but might restore this, or I don't know. We'll have to see. Be interesting to check it out though. And there's this one, which I'm not sure what this is either. And I don't know if all the parts are in here or not. Looks like the rims are. Tires and rims. Yeah, that's part of it. But this might be a cool restore one here to do. Either that or get it cleaned up or whatever and put it in a diorama maybe. Not sure what that is, but it's pretty cool. So, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video here. John from John Scale Models is coming over tonight. We're gonna, well, the wife's cooked the dinner and all that kind of stuff, and then we're gonna come in here, work on some models, and Might do a live. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So I wanted to show you. Take this out of the holder. Let's see, go this way. And that was part of the collection. The rest of the stuff's out in my truck still. I haven't got that out yet. This is 1/24th, but they're in there and they're complete. Decals are kind of messed up, but yeah, these are 1/12 vets. There's 2 of them. I think the one might be complete. I'm not sure. I have to go through it. But this is all parts. Let's see, I don't think I can get this off. Sorry, guys. I should have did this ahead of time. Now that might be the complete one. I gotta go through it though. Yeah, darn it. But this one is just parts. Well, you can see, I mean, it's, you know, I don't know if that's the right frame for that. I don't know. Looks like they tied it in. You see right there. But there's some nice rims in there. Railies. There's a bunch of tires in there. Some slicks. Yep, some slicks in there. Kind of crappy on the one side. But there's there'll be all kinds of parts for sale. We'll probably do auctions on my Facebook page. Whole rear end. Oh, look at the shackles. That's cool. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. So I will. Oh yeah, my shop card wall. It's getting full. Gonna have to extend. Maybe get that shelf out of there or something. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll be back. Happy New Year, man! Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, good weekend. And don't forget to check the link below for Gaahleri and for Grandpa Mark's and Woody's. Don't forget to go check those guys out, and talk to everybody later.